Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best gallon fish tanks that are available on the market for their true quality. List based in my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below, and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the GankPike 8-gallon saltwater aquarium gallon fish tanks. 8 gallons of space should give your pet fish lots of room to roam. 1.5 of those gallons are used for filtering, the other 6.5 are for viewing and swimming. Also, your saltwater fish should feel right at home with the coral you put inside. On top of that, you get a blue and white LED light. These lights help create a beautiful viewing area that highlights your special fish and the coral inside. Changing the lights changes the special effects your room will have and present it in a better way. Along with the LED lights and the 8-gallon tank, you also get a lid, a very quiet power pump, a protein skimmer, an LCD water thermometer, and more fish tank-related items. You can make sure your fish remain healthy all the time. The very clear glass makes viewing your fish easy and without distortion. Get a good look at what they are doing whenever you want. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Hygger Horizon 8-gallon LED glass aquarium kit. This uniquely designed aquarium has the look of an undersea cave. That decorative touch allows your fish to feel at home even though they are not home under the sea. With the 7-watt filter, you should be able to keep the fish tank water nice and clean. Plus, the LED light comes with 5 brightness levels and 3 timer settings. You get to control how long the light is on and how bright it gets in the aquarium. Adjust it according to your moods. Then you get 3 colors, white, blue and red, to work with. In addition to all of that, this aquarium for beginners uses a very quiet filter motor to make sure your sleep is not disturbed. Measuring roughly 19 by 12 by 10 inches in size, you have room for lots of fish. The curved front pane of glass provides you with a unique view of your pets. Full of water, the tank weighs about 68 pounds. At number 3, we have the Aquion 15-gallon LED aquarium kit. This is a skyscraper aquarium. The reason it is nicknamed this is because of its overall height. It is taller than most traditional aquariums, but that allows greater freedom of movement for your fish. It also provides you with more placement options. Its 25 by 14 by 14 inch size lets you place this fish tank in narrow spots that do not have a lot of width to them. Also, a 50-watt heater makes sure your fish do not get too cold throughout their stay inside. To keep the water clean, a quiet flow filter and filter cartridge gathers up the waste and dirt. This keeps the water nice and fresh, as well as healthy for your fish to swim in. A thermometer lets you keep track of the water temperature. Then an included fishnet lets you scoop up debris, fish, or even add a fish or two. Water conditioner and fish food are also part of the package. At number 2, we have the FreeSea 1.4-gallon Betta aquarium gallon fish tanks. When it comes to fish, size does not matter. You can enjoy your fish in large or small tanks. And your fish can swim in both just as easily. They might not get as much room, but a small tank like this one is every bit as good as a large tank. While it is only 1.4 gallons large, this aquarium holds a variety of smaller fish with ease. It comes with 2 decorative plants so your fish can have places to hide and rest when they want. Then LED lights make sure you can see your fish whenever you want. Also, it may be small, but this aquarium has a complete filter system hidden in the back. Your fish should have clean water to swim in every day. 5-volt USB cable should supply the power you need from your computer or power bank. A lid completes your purchase and keeps your fish from suffering any harm from accidental spills, falling debris and so on. And finally, at number 1, we have the Koller Products Panaview 5-gallon aquarium kit. The next step up. After using smaller tanks to teach your kids how to look after their fish, you can expand their fish world by replacing the smaller tank with this 5-gallon one. Your kids can add more accessories and really expand their fish knowledge. On top of that, they can learn how to use the 7 LED lights effectively to show off their fish to their friends. Then the powerful filter cleans the water at a rate of 45 gallons per hour. More than enough to keep your fish happy. In addition to that, this 14 by 10 by 12 inch approximately, the fish tank is easy to set up. Your fish will have more room to swim and your kids and get creative in their interior decorations. With impact-resistant plastic, your fish get the protection they need to live quietly and not disturb or be disturbed. The plastic is very clear, giving you and your family a great view of your growing fish family. No leaks should take place with this tank on the job. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.